how to factory reset or restart an Amazon Kindle. Let's tap the three dots in the top right corner, and then we'll go here where it says Settings. Then, in Settings, all these options will appear. Here, you're going to tap where it says Device Options. We give it a tap there, and all of this will load. Once we're here, what we need to do is swipe down. So we just do this and it will automatically load here. There are two options. I recommend you first try the option to restart your Kindle if you want, just because some error is occurring, because books aren't loading or something similar. Restart it. If you restart it and the error you have persists, keeps happening, or if you just want to reset it because you're giving it to someone else or for any other reason, then the option you'll use is this last one here, which is Factory Reset. You tap there and this will appear. Reset your Kindle? So it says that if you reset your Kindle, all settings will return to the device's original ones, and this will remove your account. It will also delete all the books and all the content you have, as well as any settings you've made. Once you know you want to do this, just tap where it says reset and that's it. You've reset absolutely everything.